Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how we can upload the users in Suprema Biostar2 in bulk. So when we say in bulk, that means if we have more number of users like 500,000, 10,000 to 20,000 users. So as of now in Biostar2 we have option to add users one by one. But it is only feasible when we have less number of users. But the moment we talk about more number of users, 10,000 to 20,000, then adding one by one becomes very difficult task. So what we have to do, very first thing, we have to get a sample CSV file so that accordingly we can create our own CSV file which we can import in the software. So what you have to do, you just have to go to users, select whatever the user you are already having. Then from this three dot section, you just have to select this CSV export option. Once we click on this, we will have a CSV file downloaded here. So I don't have MS Excel on this server. I'll take this on this server and I'll open this. So this is how actually the format looks like. Now what we have to do, we just have to fill the user ID, we have to fill the user name, then accordingly department, title, phone number, email ID and all. These all fields are not mandatory, but if you have the details you can fill. So what I do, currently I'm having some list of users. So it's like this is the user ID. I'll copy the same and I'll fill it here. And now I'll just copy the name from here. I'm not going to fill rest of other details, but in actual scenario you may need to fill all the details. So accordingly you can fill all these details. And from here as well, currently I don't want to create other groups, or even I have not created other groups in the system. So what I'll do, I'll just use these details same. I'll same it as it is. Now I'll just save this file. While saving, we have to make sure it is comma delimited CSV file. So what I'll do now, I'll just go to the desktop, save this file like user CSV. I'll save this file, make it yes. Now I'll copy the same file, will get the file on my server. And now again what we have to do, we just have to go to the user back, go to this three dots and you see this option CSV import. Just select the CSV import file, look for that file, here it is, and you see now just hit next. From here it is just to map like what in which column what data you have inserted. So I guess it has already taken the necessary details. Now what I just have to do, I can either click on this preserve data or I can simply just click override. So when I'm clicking override, that means if there is any existing ID or any existing user on the same, it will overwrite it. So currently I don't have the same data. So what I'll do, I'll simply select the preserve data and hit next. Now it will upload it. Okay, but what here it says there are some date format issue. So what I'll do, there are several formats which is supported by Biostar2. So what I can do, we can simply just like note down any of the formats. I'm just taking this DDMM YYY format. DDMM YYY HHMM SS. So this SS. Now what I have to do, I just need to get the same format. So I'll hit OK on this for now. I'll go back to my CSV file again. And what I just have to do, I just have to select the data, right click, go to the format cell, go to the custom and simply make that same format here. I'll hit OK. Save this file once again. I'll save as, go to here, I'll select the same file, or it's like I'll name it here as a new. I'll hit save, make it yes. I'll copy that file again with the new name go back to the server, go to the file, I'll paste it here. And now what I have to do, I just have to do the same process. I'll go to CSV import, select that new file, hit next. If I have to map something, I can map it, or I just have to hit next. Now I believe everything is correct, so it must generate all the users. Okay, so I believe some has done, but still it says error, so I can just download it and we'll see what's the issue there. Okay, so I believe this much of user has been already created. Now what I can do, I can just see what's the issue in this file. So I can simply just open it and we'll see what is the issue here. Okay, so for this particular user, it says user ID is duplicate. That's why it is showing there, because on the user ID one, I'm already having that administrator user. So it's simply given me error message that it's a duplicate ID. So that's okay for me. So that's it. This is how you can import the users in CSV using a CSV file in bulk. So with this method, whether you have 100 users, 2000 users or 10,000 users, doesn't matter how many users you have. You simply just have to make a CSV file and import it. The more details you want to insert here, the more columns you can create and fill in the CSV file. And for import, obviously you just have to select the CSV import file. That's it. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.